Ever wondered why you're not floating off into space right now? That's the magic of gravity at work, an invisible force pulling you towards the center of our planet. But what exactly is gravity, and how does it work? Let's delve into the mystery of this omnipresent force. Gravity, in its simplest definition, is a force that attracts any two objects with mass towards each other. It's not just an earthly phenomenon. It's a universal law that governs the movements of planets, stars, and galaxies. The concept of gravity wasn't fully understood until Sir Isaac Newton came along in the 17th century. Newton proposed the law of universal gravitation, which states that every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. In other words, the further apart objects are, the weaker the gravitational pull between them. This invisible force has a massive impact on our daily lives. It's the reason you can walk on the ground without floating away, and why an apple falls from a tree to the ground. It's also why the Earth orbits the Sun, keeping us in just the right spot for life to exist. Consider this. If you were on a planet with twice the mass of Earth, you would weigh twice as much as you do now. That's because the gravitational pull would be twice as strong. Gravity also plays a significant role in the universe. It's the force that forms stars and galaxies and keeps planets in their orbits. It even affects the path of light, bending it as it passes massive objects like stars and black holes, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. In conclusion, gravity is a fundamental force that holds the universe together. It governs the movements of the planets, stars, and galaxies and affects everything from an apple falling from a tree to the orbits of planets. Understanding gravity helps us comprehend our place in the universe and the forces that shape our daily lives. So next time you're walking around or just sitting, remember, it's gravity that's keeping you grounded. It's an unseen yet powerful force that binds the universe together, from the smallest particles to the most massive galaxies. And though it might seem like a simple concept, the more we learn about gravity, the more we realize how complex and fascinating our universe really is.